Suttur Jatre Is from 18th to 23rd January. Krishi Mela is part of this Jatra. As part of the Year of Millets, a Siridhanya Mela has been organized here. Let's know some benefits of millets and some millet recipes. This stall is all of you are studying here.
We are actually the teachers.
You are teachers.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice to meet you. Okay. What are you teaching?
I teach nutrition.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. What you?
I'm also
You are teaching
Department of
yes.
Nutrition and Dietetics.
Nutrition. Could you tell me about the different millets that are exhibited here?
Yes, ma'am. These are millets. I'll explain about the health benefits of millets.
Okay.
Like millets helps in for heart. It's good for heart.
Okay.
Helps in weight management also.
Okay.
It's good for bone health. That is calcium is also obtained from millets. These are the commonly used millets. That is jola and ragi. These millets. Usually these millets are round in shape. Like during menstrual cycle, these millets may also relieve the menstrual cramps.
Oh, they'll help.
Yes, ma'am. They help in releasing menstrual cramps.
Constipation is another
Constipation,
very
yeah.
important because
Oh,
it's
I
rich
see.
in fiber.
Constipation also, it's very good. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. These millets cannot be replaced with cereals, but it can be taken as a supplement with cereals.
Okay.
And it's not like we can't take it everyday basis also because it helps. It's not easily digested food also.
Now, once I heard somebody telling that the millets heat up the body, so it's not good to take frequently.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
take it
We should be
one
hydrated.
meal a day or 5 times in a week. Is it true?
Yes, because it contains lot of fiber. So if we are not taking sufficient amount of water, it might lead to constipation and some
Okay.
other, gastrointestinal distress.
Okay.
So it becomes very important whenever we are consuming or taking any of the millets, we
Okay.
should take lot of water.
Lot of water. Okay.
Yes, because of the fiber content.
Can I know your name?
Yeah, my name is Tanusha. I'm from JSS here, Department of Nutrition and Dietetics.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You have a variety of millets here. Could I know how to use them?
Yes, ma'am, sure. There are different kinds of foods.
Okay.
So this is prepared from bajra biscuit.
Okay.
It is also called as pearl millet in English.
Pearl millet.
And Kannada it is called as sajje. Bajra it is used in Hindi.
Okay.
Bajra biscuits, bajra roti. There are two types of roti using this flour, bajra flour. This is normal roti and this is masala roti.
Okay. What have you added in the masala?
In masala roti, we have added carrot, beetroot, radish.
Okay.
So this can be incorporated, or any vegetables can be
Make it
incorporated.
more
Yeah,
nutritious,
yeah.
okay.
And then this is bajra vada.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. This is plain vada.
Yeah, plain vada.
Okay.
And then next is ragi, that is commonly used. So in ragi, it is like commonly we use mudde.
Okay.
So there are different types, like we can use ragi biscuits. Instead of normal vermicelli, you can use ragi vermicelli.
Okay.
And then ragi laddu.
Oh, nice.
When you have sweet cravings like that, we can
Yeah.
prepare it is delicious, nutritious.
Okay.
So, and again, this is foxtail, navane, foxtail millet in English, navane in Kannada.
Okay.
So we have prepared a bath. Instead of normal rice, we can use these millets sometimes, so that it will be nutritious and it helps in many things. Like especially for diabetes people, so this helps. Because of low sugar levels in this, so we can prepare navane bath. Vegetables are incorporated in this. Navane bisibele bath, and then biscuits. This is navane bisibele bath. And then this is barnyard millet paisam. So when you have sweet cravings, again we can use different millets. So there is a ragi laddu, and now it is barnyard millet paisam. And then this is proso millet upma. Instead of normal rava, we can use this millets every day. I mean not every day, but at least sometimes instead of rava, we can use this. It will be nutritious. And then this is ragi ganji that we have, like it is common nowadays.
Like supposing I make bisibele bath, let's say,
Yeah.
do I have to use it directly or better to soak it and use?
It is better to soak these millets overnight and then we can prepare it on the next day.
Okay. Thank you for telling me
Thank
about
you.
the
Thank you, ma'am.
preparations. May I know your name?
Vaishnavi, ma'am.
Vaishnavi. Where are you? You are studying here, I suppose?
Yes, ma'am. JSS, Department of Nutrition and Dietetics.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.